내가 본 사람 중에 제일 심해.
I have no style.
이걸 어떻게 해야 돼?
Hey guys, it's your girl Tina here. I'm so excited for today. I've been waiting for this moment because I'm gonna be getting a hair makeover. I'm currently at Wee Wee Atelier, a renowned hair and makeup salon for K-pop idols and Korean celebrities. I'm here to see Kiu, one of the salon's talented hair designers. I've been a big fan of Kiu's work for a while and I've seen him rescue disastrous hairstyles on his YouTube series. Recently, I've been struggling with my hair after giving birth to my daughter Lila. I experienced severe postpartum hair loss which made me lose half my hair density within 2 months. It took a toll on my self-confidence and I tried various remedies to help my hair grow back, including scalp treatments, hair loss tonics, Chinese herbal pills, and red light therapy. Thankfully, my efforts paid off and my hair grew back thicker and stronger than ever. However, I now have an abundance of baby hairs that are hard to style and hide, so I decided to seek Kiu's help. So it's like not long enough for a fringe and it's like
So cute.
what would you suggest to hide or like
이게 가장 큰 고민인가요?
I mean it's one of the issues but I haven't touched my hair since like being pregnant so all this has grown out it's all natural from there I have no style it's just grown out so I haven't done anything to it.
이걸 어떻게 해야 돼? 이거는 그냥 길러야 될 것 같은데.
It's not just here, so it's like everywhere. So no matter where I part it, it's everywhere. I lost half my hair density.
평소에 가르마 이렇게 하고 다니나요?
This is where it kind of normally falls, either here or like slightly off center. Kind of hard because no matter where I split it, it's this. After looking at my hair situation, Kiu gave me 2 options. The first one is to perm and press down all my baby hairs, but that would mean I'd lose volume and my hair would look flat. The second option is to freshen up my look with a color and cut, and he would show me how to style my baby hairs so they don't look so crazy. Well, I don't want to like have my hair super flat, so maybe we can focus on just making the overall style. I would like to have like a color done. I'm open to suggestions. Just make me like a hot mom.
더 밝게 하고 싶은 건가요?
You can cut, you can color, you can...
사실 뭔가 변화를 줄 거면은 컬러 체인지 하는 게 나을 것 같은데.
After our discussion, I decided to go with option 2. Q suggested an ash brown color which suited my hair type best and it'll mean less maintenance for me. Now because my hair currently has a few different tones in it, my ends are bleached, the middle is colored and my roots are grown out, Q is going to use 3 different shades of ash brown to create a uniform blended color. Now that we have a plan of attack, it's time to put on some protection. Ear protection, that is. How cute are these yellow ear covers? I've never worn anything like these, but I feel like all hairdressers should have them. The first color is being applied on my natural hair at the top, but leaving the roots, which will be done last. The second shade of ash brown is going in the mid-lengths.
앞머리가 귀엽네요.
Then the third brown is applied onto my bleached ends. Even though he's using 3 different shades of brown, it won't look like it at the end, it'll just look like one uniform color. After that, the roots are done last as it's the quickest area to develop. Once the color was developed, it was time to wash it off. This was my favorite part, getting my hair washed and getting a head massage. There's just something so therapeutic about it. I just wanted to fall asleep. Next up, my hair is blow dried. I couldn't help but giggle at my baby hairs. It made me think about all the funny selfies I took that never made it to social media. So if you guys want a good laugh, here they are. Please don't take a screenshot.
내가 본 사람 중에 제일 심해. 진짜 많은데?
After blow drying my hair, Kiu showed me how to use one of his hair products called the Janmuri Kara. It's a product he developed to help tame baby hairs. He says it's used a lot for photo shoots and on filming sets to help tame flyaways. The formula is like a hair serum, but it can hold hairs in place without making it feel hard or waxy.
I just need 10 more tubes of that.
It magically made my baby hairs disappear.
Yeah, you can cut whatever.
원하는데요?
Yeah, you can cut it however you want.
After that, it's time for a cut. Kiu cut my bangs and added in some layers at the front to help frame my face. Then he gave me a light trim to get rid of some dead ends. Next up, he styled my hair using a flat iron. He chose to do S-waves as it's a popular style right now in Korea. If you're into K-dramas and you've watched Love in Contract with Park Min-young, I'm sure you would have noticed her amazing hair like I did. She had these loose mermaid waves that looked oh so pretty. Next up, Kiu blow dried my roots to give me some volume. This is an important step when it comes to hairstyling, especially in Korea. It helps to almost reshape your head and make your hair look fuller and more voluminous. Now for the final touches, a spritz of hairspray. And ta-da! Voila! Kiu's masterpiece.
Thank you.
Thank
My hair
you.
looks so much better.
My hair is looking and feeling so much better. I feel fresh and I love the way Kiu styled it. The color is subtle but easy to maintain, especially for a mama like me. It was so much fun hanging out with Kiu. If you guys haven't already, go check out his channel. So, what do you guys think of my new hair? That's it to this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I shall speak to you guys next time. Bye!
Ba-dum-bum,